Hey, I'm back with putting on rotors, brakes, and fixing the guide pin on an '02 Mustang. Okay. We got the car jacked up. We got a jack stand under it. Let's get this wheel off. First, we got to take the cap off. Use a flathead screwdriver. Put it right in the notch in the wheel. Get the cap loose. Pull it right off. We take our air wrench. If you don't, you can use a four-way or a lug that come with the car. Okay, let's take our wheel off. And there we go. Okay, we take our brake caliper off. We take off this bolt and this bolt down here. And that will screw it right off. Okay, we work that caliper. Okay. There we got that off. Look at that brake pad. There's no brake material left. Metal against metal action. Alright, that's how we took off our other brake pad. Pretty simple. Alright, then we need to take our caliper hold down bracket off. We got two bolts we got to take off. They'll be pretty stubborn because some of the heat from the brake pads wearing out like this. So might have to use a breaker bar. Put it on there and we just, get them off. Alright, screw the top one off. Alright, pull our rotor out. We gotta clean this debris up. We're using a lot of brake cleaner. Got a pan in the bottom to catch it all. Make sure you spray it really good, especially around that ABS center. Get all those debris off. You want to hit that section up again. Okay, they are old rotor, our new rotor, and they got brake pads compared to the ones that came off the car. Oh, look at that. Nice smooth rotor to go back on that baby. Okay, put our rotor on, it slides right on. Okay, we got a guide pin problem. Alright, this one is good. This one is stuck. And we also got to make sure we grease everything. That's how we grease it. Okay, on this job, I'm going to use a lot of heat. Just let it sit there. Kept twisting and turning and beating on it till I got it off. This one was pretty hard, pretty bad. Okay, so we got to take our brake piston and put it in. I got my brake caliper kit right here. We got to find the right ones that fit up in the slot on the brake piston. And that's how we put it all together. And we just twist it to a brake piston is all the way back in. We clean our brake hole down with a metal brush. Put our bolts back in, top and the bottom. All right, grease it up. Put our brakes in place. Our guide pins are greased also. We put our brake caliper back on. Put our nuts back on the brake caliper. Okay, and that's how it should look. We're ready to put the wheel back on. Get this car back to the customer. Okay, we got it back together. See you next time, and thanks for watching.